Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the world's miners are scrambling to adjust to a China that is changing tack. The emphasis is going off heavy industry, driven recently by the pollution trap they're in. China is now at the forefront of trying to set global pollution limits. This comes as China's exports continue to fall, and the slump in imports is now extended to a record 13 months. Exports were down 6.8% and far more than the 5% expected, while imports were down 8.7%, although that was less than the 12% fall expected. Analysts were expecting a trade surplus of $64 billion, but after these varying falls it came in at only $54 billion. That is still a gigantic monthly trade surplus. The data, especially the fall in imports, has roiled the mining industry. Brazil took another blow, and Anglo American, a major miner, has announced it will cut its workforce by 60%. That's shedding 85,000 jobs. That will hit South Africa hard. Glencore, Rio Tinto and BHP are also making big restructuring moves. And there will be big downstream implications too. But the fall in Chinese imports is not affecting Australia as much as you might think. Australian business confidence is on the improve, outside of the mining sector, of course. Above average business conditions are an encouraging sign that their recovery continues to gain traction. Although the better business conditions are not being felt uniformly across their country, according to the latest NAB Business Confidence Survey, underperforming industries have gradually been gaining ground in recent months. And the dairy industry is not being buffeted either. The derivatives prices are holding, and this morning's review of Fonterra's payout level is expected to be a tame affair. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark fell 4 basis points, is now at 2.22%. The US benchmark oil price is down yet again, now just over $37 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just over $40 a barrel. There is real fear in this market of an intensifying global glut. The gold price slipped as well, now at $1,074 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar has held similar levels to the start of yesterday and is still at 66.4 US cents, at 92 Aussie cents and 61 Euro cents. The TWI is still at 71.8. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.